Heavy K, Mkhitaryan biography, songs. Heavy K biography. Heavy K, whose real name is Mkhitaryan, was born on 4th of December 1991 in Port Elizabeth in South Africa. He is a South African record producer and DJ. Career: when he was young he wanted to be a doctor or a scientist. His whole life was about school because of the poor neighborhood he grew up on and the many robberies he saw. But the focus on school changed when his brother sent him to collect movies at a house where a friend was in the middle of a recording session. He taught himself to be a music composer, producer, songwriter and a DJ. He founded a music producing group, Point 5. At the age of 16 he produced Professor's hit Lindo. In 2009 he met Oskido, a legendary producer and DJ. He made a place in his I Believe program so that Heavy K could learn to be a better producer and DJ himself. Later Oskido suggested that Heavy K should set up his own company. The two guys worked together on the big track Was Nana that was released in 2013. In 2013 he released his debut album Respect the Drum Boss. 2013 Heavy K songs. Middle. Drum Boss. Middle. Amoya. Middle. Poyayane. Middle. Beautiful War. Middle. Nshk. Middle. Nzwanjanwa. Middle. Yini. Middle. Give me you've. Middle. Zamporoma. Middle. Hambolua. Middle. Summer Song. Middle. Weena. Middle. Gunsong. Middle. Njalunj. Middle. Hansos. Middle. Kinema. Middle. Come Around. Middle. Shimakanda. Middle. Kate Talina. Middle. City Rains. Middle. Conjuro. Middle. Isa. Middle. Choose a Babe. Middle. Back Solo. Middle. Indabazamali. Middle. Wanzanjalo. Middle. Broken Heart. Middle. Mbizani. Middle. Never Change. Middle. By Your Side. Middle. Master.
Yeah.